9 kitchen design mistakes you don't want to make, part 3. It's your kitchen. Do me a favor. Do not overlook smart storage solutions. I was very excited to work with Häfele for my kitchen design. They have amazing inserts. Take a look at this. This is the Flex corner unit. It helps you make the most of this awkward under the counter corner area of your kitchen. It's super sturdy. It has 2 levels on each pole, and a double set of shelving comes out first, and then as you move it to the side, this allows for the necessary room to pull out the second set of shelving. It's genius. I love it. The fine line large cutlery trays are in walnut finish that you can see here. We have them not only in our main cutlery drawer to keep that organized, we also have it for our large utensils that we use here by the oven. For your spices, this is just as important. We used to have one of those spinning ones that used to sit on the counter. All the glass jars ended up getting very sticky because it was right next to the oven. But now we house our spices on this beautiful stepped spice rack that we keep inside the drawer. Also think about where you're housing your oils. We had some leftover space here to the drawers next to our oven, and so we used these 7 inches for a Häfele pull-out oil rack. So consider these smart options and save money for these. You want to invest in them, just like people don't save money for their furniture at the end of a renovation project, right? You need to, because you want everything to come together beautifully.